Hey, it is Sunday Fun Day. So what are we going to do today? Well, we got a little bit of everything going on today. First, before I can do anything, unfortunately, guys, I have to. You guys all know that I've been working around my shop cleaning it up, getting wall painted here and there as we go. And if you remember, the last time I showed you, we'd painted all this wall. And I still haven't finished putting my signs up. And you can definitely, well, I don't know if you can tell here, but I can see the difference. That's a bright white, that looks like a shit dirtiness, right? Got all that done, we got all that done. Well, the other day we did this wall in the back, and of course, we did all this back here. There, you can see the difference. Look, it looks yellow and it looks white. So we got this wall left and the very front wall. But I do these in the evenings after work. So we got this one done, but before I can do anything, before I can have a Sunday Fun Day on my cars, I got to get all this shit cleaned up, got to get shelving back on, all the stuff back up. All them Packard taillights and quarters. 2 sets there, Holly valve covers, Corvette valve covers, MTs, 4-barrel carburetors that belong on intakes for flathead Fords, finned, not aftermarket, original Offenhauser finned heads for a Ford. Like I say, not aftermarket. Lots of stuff. All the flathead headers. Anyway, I got to get everything put back up, organized, because I got to have this spot free, because even though, I don't know about where you're all at, but it's holiday long weekend here, I'm working tomorrow. We are working tomorrow. So I got to get this cleaned out, because the Buick is going to be coming back from the blasters. So I got to get all this put away, and then we'll get on to the Model A. Plans on the Model A? Well, I got the transmission bolted up to the engine. I did get that done during the week. So now remember last time it's covered up, we ran all the brake lines. So I like to bleed the brakes today in this car. Then they're just done, they're finished, they're on there. I cannot put the engine in the car because before the engine can go in, the steering box has got to go in. Before the steering box can go in, I got to get the body on there. So the Model A is only going to get the brakes bled today. So that's why this video is a little boring for you guys. I'm just playing in the shop, cleaning shit up. So I'm going to do that today. I'm going to wire the trailer hitch in Big Red. Big Red's coming up for sale. If you remember, we painted all the rims this week. Put all the chrome around the wheel well moldings. Put brand new tires on her. Look at that. Gave her some brand new tires. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get the trailer hitch plugged in today. Well, wired in. I'm going to get that wired in. And then I'm still waiting on a rear bumper, but I can at least put the truck up for sale this week. I can put it for sale and I can let everyone know, hey, there's a rear bumper on the way. I can show them that there is a rear bumper coming. So, and now, let's walk over. I haven't even opened up the, oh shit, see, I haven't even opened the shop up this morning here. It's so sunny and beautiful. High of 22 here today. Finally, some fucking sunshine. Because all it's been doing is raining. We didn't even get a spring this year. Just rain, rain, rain. That's all it did. But, at the end of the day, I would sooner have rain than snow. That's for sure. Let's take a look at the custom Chevy. We can take a look and see what's going on. She's rolling, man. Rolling. Yeehaw! Looky, looky. Now remember I told you, this is where the original bumper went. And when Jack did it, he just filled in with metal, and there's a chrome piece that covers right over that, and he never even did the body work. We are not doing the body work. We're leaving it like Jack left it. No one will ever know unless they take the chrome piece off. So I got the roof all kind of roughed in, sail panel on the back all roughed in, working away on the deck lid, and she looking good. Look at this. We're just rolling on the Chevy. Yep. Time's flying. It's going to be June here. I got to have this thing painted by the end of July, and that gives me 3 weeks to get it together for the show. So there we go. We're doing the best we can. Again, we don't spend a lot of time on this car. I spend a little bit in the evenings here and there trying to do stuff. And then Sean's on it all day Saturday. And sometimes a half day Friday, but that's it. And then we got my Model A. So next weekend, we're going to be blocking out my Model A, painting the firewall, and then I'm going to get it bolted down on the frame. Then I can put the steering box in and the engine and tranny in. But Sean's going to be blocking out the Model A next weekend. There will not be a Sunday Fun Day video because I am actually, the long weekend we stayed here. I'm going to work through it like I said. Next weekend, I got to take a little trip. Got to go away and do a few things next weekend. So not going to be around, but that's okay. So let's get our ass in the shop and get some stuff cleaned up, and I don't know what else to show you. Maybe when I'm done putting the shelving up, I'll show you my shit on the shelves, and not that you haven't seen it before, and that's about it. Kind of a boring one for you, but just wanted to let you know that I'm still here. I'm still kicking. I'm still moving. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get to it. Well, there we go. Cleaned up all the shit that was laying on the floor. Gave the garage a bit of a sweep. Got the mats outside. Vacuumed them off. First time in a long time, and got everything put back where it used to be. There we are. The wall is looking fabulous again. So, our next attempt in around 2 or 3 weeks will be gut this wall, take everything down and start painting it. So with that being said, not too much of an exciting video for you. I'm not going to bother to show you my Model A frame. I'm going to bleed the brakes on it now, but what am I going to show you? It ain't going to look any different. So all I can say is I hope you all had a good long weekend. I'm happy. I got my shop cleaned up. Going to bleed some brakes on the Model A, and I might put the front brakes, I got all the back brakes together on Terry's car on the custom Chevy. I might put the front brakes on it. They're all here, the new wheel cylinders, hoses, all that. So I might put them on because they're just laying around. They're kind of in the way. So I might get that done. So, and that's about it. Then I'm just going to go outside and enjoy my backyard and sit back and have a nice cider and relax. Okay, guys? See you next time.